What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Come check out all of my stuff because we're on the road to 1K. Yes sir. Alright, so for today's video, I was low-key thinking about it, but you know what, I finally made up my mind. And to be honest, I'm gonna start a challenge called the Expose Your Truck Challenge. I know a lot of you won't want to do it because like y'all don't want to expose the flaws on y'all's trucks or whatnot. But anyways, let me explain real quick. So what this challenge is pretty much self-explanatory. You're pretty much just gonna expose the flaws that your truck has, because I know for sure every single truck, well, unless your truck is like garage kept or like out of the dealership, like literally like brand new, of course it's not gonna have its flaws. But I know every truck has its flaws, and I know a lot of people usually tend to hide them because they want to make their truck look perfect. Like let's accept it, guys, not everything in the world is perfect. We're not perfect, cars ain't perfect, nothing is. So that's why I want to do this challenge, especially for you tacuaches, because I know y'all get so cocky. Like I'm not even cocky, like I be exposing everything that my truck has, like from flaws to like stuff that I don't like or whatnot. But anyways, I pretty much just exposed the hell out of my truck in my last two videos. The things I hate about my truck, part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched them, I'll put them down in the description below so y'all can go watch them. But if you just came across this video, I guess I'll just go over the stuff that, well, pretty much I'm just gonna expose the flaws on my truck real quick for those who don't know or are brand new to this channel. So YOLO, let's get into it. So starting off with the obvious, of course, the windshield on my truck is cracked as hell. It's almost like half of the whole thing, but oh well. I mean, I could change it, but low-key I don't even want to. I mean, it's been there for years literally, but that don't bother me. Another thing is right here, my skirts. See the paint, and this was a brand new paint job, but you know how them skirts be low and stuff. So yeah, I pretty much just scuffed them in this. I don't even know what happened, but yeah. And my bumper, of course, look, let me get closer. You can see it's all sanded down, because as I've said in my other videos, we tried color matching it, but we failed really bad. As you can see, that was the wrong paint, but oh well. And of course, the little flap right here is all broken, and I'm missing screws on it, look. See, but YOLO. And of course, as I said last time in my other video, my truck is keyed. It has a bunch of scratches. I know you can really tell, but see, has scratches, of course. That sucks bad. But I mean, of course, this truck is almost 30 years old. It's a 93, so I guess it's 27 years old. But of course, this truck is gonna have its flaws, like engine wise, like aesthetic wise, pretty much. So yeah, don't expect it to be perfect unless you keep it garage kept or whatnot, like I said. But my headlights, I don't know, you can tell, but the clear coat is peeling off, and especially this one right here. See, look, it's just rough as hell. Like I don't even know how that happened. And this corner light, we're on this side, let me see, it's cracked. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's pretty much all cracked, nasty. I gotta get new ones, but yeah. And of course, like I said in my last video, the dash, it's all cracked. I mean, see, it's cracked. Oh man, I didn't want to take it off, but whatever. It's cracked. It's not perfect, but it's decent for 27 years old. And of course, like I said in the last video, the glove box thing right here, the clip is broken too. And of course, you can't forget the most important thing, the AC, which I don't know, it's been working for a couple of days now, but I don't even know. Like I said, it's a love-hate relationship. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, I mean, look at it, it's flashing. See, it's flashing, and that's because right here I have my blender. Like, boy, like I don't even know how it's working without it. Like, what? But anyway, those are mostly like some of the most obvious flaws that my truck has. Of course, there's a bunch like mechanical stuff, but I mean, I don't want to get into it. Like, I don't want to get under this and that, but like, of course, the truck is slow. That's one flaw. The engine is like, I don't know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, it's a TBI engine, so what do you expect? It's a 90 stuff. But yeah, you guys, but I really hope that this challenge actually gets somewhere, because I know a bunch of you tacuaches are not want to do it, or not gonna do it, to be honest. But I don't know, like I said, I don't really care if I'm exposing myself. I don't care, because at least I'm proud to say that I'm building something up that came from the ground, you know, like I didn't buy it like that, like built up or whatnot. So, oh well, I mean, what do you expect? Like, every truck has its flaws. I know, I mean, my truck is a 90s truck. I know people's trucks that are like brand new that have more flaws than mine, but I don't know. Like I said, that's on y'all, but I'm calling out every single tacuache here in Austin, Houston, Texas, everywhere. I don't care, mostly here in Austin, because I know a bunch of you dudes be cocky as hell, and like, I've kept quiet, but you know what? Now I'm gonna call y'all out. And if y'all don't want to do it, oh well, that's on y'all. But yeah, I hope this goes somewhere. And one more thing before I forget, make sure to cop the merch. Yee has my name, big booty right there, 360 Bridge here in Austin. Yeah, I'm joking. I don't know, like I still haven't even made anything else. Like I said, it's just a shirt for me, but if y'all want something, just let me know. I'm putting the order or whatnot. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully, like I said, this goes somewhere, and hopefully it's a new trend here on YouTube, or if it hasn't been done, because I mean, I've been looking it up, but not a lot of people have done it. But you know, oh well, let's see where it goes. Hopefully something happens. But yeah, you guys, I know this video was short and quick because I just want to get straight to the point. But yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there, and peace.